Now let us start finding the area of these two portions. Starting with the first portion, that is A1 is equal to length into thickness. The length is 150 into the thickness is 12. On simplifying this, you will be getting 1800 mm square. Similarly, let us find the area of the next portion. A2 is equal to. See, here the rectangle is from here to here. Now to find this length, we have to subtract the total length along with the thickness of the flange. Here the total length is 200, minus of this thickness is 12. 200 minus 12 gives you this portion length into the thickness. Thickness is 12. On simplifying this, you will be getting 2256 mm square. Now let us start finding the centroid along YY axis first. Here the centroid along YY axis is named as x bar. This is given by the ratio between moment of area about y axis to the total area. Now the formula to find moment of area about y axis is written as A1 x1 plus A2 x2 divided by total area formula is written as A1 plus A2. Here we are considering only two terms just because we are having two portions within the section. Now let us find the values of x1 and x2 first. To find the value of x1 and x2, these two distance are with respect to the YY axis. For example, see, this is your first portion from this centroid up to the y axis. Somewhere here exactly at the end of the section I am considering the YY axis. This horizontal distance is x1. Similarly, from the center of the second portion to the YY axis, the distance x2 is taken. Now let us find these two values. The value of x1 will be found out by total distance divided by 2. 150 by 2, which gives you 75 mm. Just because the centroid is lying exactly at the center of the rectangle, you will be getting half of the length as your x1 distance. Similarly, let us find the value of x2. x2 is written as half of this thickness, that is 12 by 2, which is equal to 6 mm. Once the values of x1 and x2 is found out, you just substitute the values of a1, x1, a2, x2 in this equation and simplify it. You will be getting the value of x bar as 36.62 mm.